Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the 2-pack collapsible plastic buckets. They're 1.32 gallons or 5 liters each. Now, I do a lot of camping, and these look perfect for me. I love these collapsible, space-saving type dishes and buckets. And one thing to remember about these is they are BPA-free, and they stack for storage. That's cool. You can see the size comparison right there when one's folded and one's unfolded. These have a lot of room in it. That's actually a pretty good sized bucket. It holds over a gallon or 5 liters. On the very bottom, what I like is they put that little handle there for your hand that will assist you carrying or pouring something out of one of these buckets. Unfolded, they are 8 inches tall. They are 2 inches tall when they remain collapsed. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to pour a gallon of water in the bucket. 1 gallon goes all the way to the top of that blue line. I also wanted to make sure that the handle was strong enough to carry that gallon, and it is. These are great little buckets. I recommend them.